Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today we are going to launch our course of Etsy. In this course you will learn all the tactics of Etsy, how to sell on Etsy, what are the business models on Etsy, how you can sell your products on Etsy. So let's start it. Let's move on to the screen. First I have to give the overview of what is Etsy and how Etsy works to those who don't know what is Etsy. So Etsy is like an e-commerce store, as you can see, and here I have searched cards and you can see different products here like love cats card, villagers cards, birthday cards and many more. And all of these products you are seeing are not sold by Etsy. These are products that different sellers, different people like me, and it could be you also, are selling these products on Etsy. So if you see, if I open this product and this product, you will see that the both sellers of the products are different. Like this one is sold by Mr. Saucy B. His shop name is Saucy B. Okay, if you see this product, you will see this is sold by different seller. Like it is sold by Junk Punch. The Junk Punch is selling this product. So different sellers are selling their products on Etsy. So Etsy is a multi-vendor marketplace. Now the other thing about Etsy is a worldwide marketplace. It's operating worldwide. Like if you want to sell your product sitting in the US and you want to sell your product anywhere in the world, you can do it by on Etsy. Okay. So the other thing about Etsy is Etsy was mainly actually when the Etsy was created, Etsy was formed. The main products range on the Etsy were only handmade products. Now Etsy comprises other than handmade products, digital products also, but the main chunk of products on Etsy are basically handmade, and Etsy promote handmade products. And that is what differentiates Etsy from other marketplaces like Amazon, like eBay, like Walmart and other marketplaces. So in the next video, we will discuss business models that you can choose from to do business on Etsy. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.